Hello again.
We are making peach and blueberry cobbler today, and we're going to start by adding water and cornstarch and stirring. Do you have a spoon?
Oh, that's be a good idea.
Yeah. Implement of stirring.
You good with that one?
Yeah.
That's my favorite, actually.
I get to use your favorite spoon. Wow, that's the privilege. We're not cooking it yet. We're just getting it ready, right?
Yep.
All right, I think. No,
Let's dissolve.
not quite.
Okay.
What do you think of that?
I think it looks good. It's hard to see through camera, but yeah,
Right.
looks good.
Sugar?
Sugar, cinnamon, and the fruit.
Sugar.
Cinnamon powder. Nice.
Get that dissolved and then we'll add the fruit.
Yeah, sounds good. Okay, so we just added 3 cups of peaches. Recipe has 4 cups of peaches, and then there's a note that says you can add a cup of blueberries, which we thought sounded good. But the bag that we got was only 3 cups. So we're just gonna do 3 cups of peaches and 2 cups of blueberries.
If I can ever open them.
It's a difficult time. We have scissors in here.
That would make my life easier.
Yeah.
You know I'm opposed to that, right?
Making life easier?
Yes.
I get it. Cool, and then we're gonna, once we get the blueberries in there, we're gonna, I don't think it's actually boiled, but heat it up and get it all good and yummy. And then I'm gonna get a pan ready for it to pour it into. Yep, stirring to a boil, and we used frozen peaches, so it's taken a minute.
Oh. No, that's just air bubbles.
Okay, while Emily's still working on getting fruit to boil, I'm gonna start mixing dry ingredients for our topping. Yeah, for topping. Well, make sure I'm doing it right. Add corn, combine flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Baking powder is half a teaspoon. We like juicy cobbler.
Like soggy.
Quarter teaspoon?
Not a topping, though.
Well, that's true. We got our half teaspoon baking powder in there. And we're gonna mix it all together. So, recipe doesn't call for this, but Emily decided, and we decided together that we were gonna add some cinnamon and nutmeg to the topping, just because we like those spices.
We're not gonna let big recipe keep us down.
Exactly. We are our own individuals.
Yeah.
So, I honestly am pretty bad at estimating, but we're gonna go with that. It doesn't need much. It's mostly like half cinnamon and there's a little bit of nutmeg. More cinnamon. Okay,
That's
okay.
what you need.
Nice. I'm down. Cool. We also melted the butter in that tiny section that we made, so we have that ready. Okay, spices are good. There's the butter, which we're combining with the egg.
Oil. Oil. Oil.
And gonna mix that up real. I mean, there's a general concept, which is helpful, but... Oh, this is not what I envisioned when I envisioned the topping.
Whoa!
Well,
Are you
indeed.
100% sure we're supposed to melt the butter?
Yes.
I think I think it's gonna be more biscuity than anything.
Okay,
So you
okay.
might stop stirring as soon as you can.
Okay, I'll make sure I get all the flour in there. So, this is what it looks like. Ooh, not gonna throw things. Not a crumble like I was anticipating. But it didn't say crumble, it just said topping. So, guess it could be fine.
Cobblers are kind of defined like by a biscuity topping.
That's true, that's
We should have
true.
anticipated this.
That's true. Yeah. Fair point. Is fruit boiling yet?
Huh?
Is fruit boiling there yet?
Does it look like fruit's boiling?
Well, yeah, I just hadn't seen it in a while.
No.
It's very juicy though.
It is very juicy. We're gonna have to let it boil a decent.
Yeah. Works for me.
Oh,
Okay, well, topping is ready when we're ready for it. And we'll update you again when we have another thing to update. Steamy, getting close to boiling.
Look how much it's thickened up.
definitely
People in the
thicker.
video.
Ooh.
But not boiling yet. So.
Not boiling yet, just getting there.
No, I really like that photo.
And our oven meat, it's ready.
Everything's ready.
But the fruit. Kind of a key thing in a cobbler, you know?
And
Update
boils.
some bubbles. Somewhere.
See?
I'm
There's a
trying to see.
bubble.
Yeah, there we go.
I mean, I want it to boil a little harder,
Yeah,
but there's bubbles. Which
Let's
means
start. We're feeling we're pretty close. It's definitely like boiling. It's definitely a lot thicker than it was. Okay. Okay, we're feeling pretty good about it. We're gonna go ahead and pour it in the pan.
look at that. So beautiful.
Yep. It smells very good, also. Beautiful.
And smooth it out, and then we spoon this on top.
We do, should we let it cool a little bit first?
Nah. Well, nah.
It's just because it had to do that, and then we started mixing it, so it would have had a little time to cool while we were mixing it, so I said it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. Yeah, just kind of by the spoonful.
We're gonna have to get fingers on this.
That's good.
One get it.
We wash, don't worry.
What do you think?
Look good.
Alright.
Oven's already preheated, so should be ready to go in.
Alright. You wanna get a video of that? Or?
I mean, video's still going, so
Oh. You wanna open the oven then?
yeah. Love to, friend.
Alright. And how long do we put it in here?
It's a good question. I haven't looked at that yet. Nice. We'll set a timer and come back to you when it's done.
No.
Looks a little toasty on top. Maybe it's just a good amount of coloring, you know? We're concerned it's a little burnt. But it could just be the cinnamon we added. It makes it so dark.
You know, maybe it's fine. We should probably let this rest though.
Yeah, let it cool, let it rest.
Don't burn yourself.
Yeah, it's just, I thought about it, but I was like, it's just the foil. I'm just gonna cook it a second. I want to torture them.
Oh,
This is Mary and Adon, my girlfriend.
That's good. That's good.
I like the crust a lot.
Nice.
Oh, you do? Okay, nice.
Sweet, tart. Very good.
Cool. Thanks, friends. Okay. Our turn now. I think it's good.
It's pretty good.
It's just a cobbler, but it's good.
I think the fruit could use like something.
Really?
Sure. It's missing something. Peach and blueberry is a weird combination. Never heard about.
I like it. I had never heard of it either. The crust is good. I'm glad we added the cinnamon.
And nutmeg.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Huh?
Cool. Any thoughts on the process? Final product?
I'd say let your peaches thaw before you put them in there frozen.
That's fair.
That was an ordeal.
True. But
I think this needed salt. The filling.
oh,
I think that would have made things taste better.
I see that. I don't know if we got it in the video. She did add lemon juice to the filling. I think that was good. I think that was a good addition.
Fires inside the prison. Broke windows. It's like a 6-story prison. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not a huge cobbler person, but I think it was good. So I don't know. I'd make it again.